As a content creator, I know that sound quality is great. I did a lot of reviews, a lot of research to see which microphone I should invest in. I came across the Rode and the DJI. I landed on the DJI because it was more compatible with the kind of content that I create, and also the integration of with the DJI, I guess you can say, ecosystem, and it is really compatible with my iPhone. So I decided to invest in this microphone over the Rode. So let's unbox it. I will give a personal review once I use it for a little bit. So stay tuned for that in my next video. But we're just doing the unboxing today. It comes in this nice little case, really nice, really great quality. This is the charging area and where everything sits in. The charging cables. So let's open it up, press here to unlock. And as you can see, it's all embedded. These are the two microphones, and this is the mic. So really great presentation. I really liked how it feels in the hand, really great build quality. And I will let you know how easy it is to set up once I get everything situated and established. Thank you for watching. This is the DJI Mic 2.